The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, MP3 player, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.